Want to know how to change your password or create a password in MoonPay? So if you have logged in with your Google account or if you want to change your password, it's super simple. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do it real quickly. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application and it should be right here. It should be looking up like this. And now on the top right side, you should be seeing your gear icon right here or your settings icon. You can just simply select it. And now once you've selected your settings icon, you should be provided with the settings window right here. And now once you're under this settings window here, you should be seeing your current preferences or various settings options. And now once you've done that here, you should be seeing your account section. Just simply select it. And now once you've selected account here, you should be seeing password that will be right below email. So you can just simply select password right here. And here you can just simply create out your password that you want and then select clear password. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.